Hi, it's Kozue. Today I'm gonna be making green nails with magnetic gel. I'm gonna be using these two color gels from Born Pretty. Apply base coat to your natural nails. Okay, let's get started. I'm gonna paint no wipe top coat to the thumbnail. I'm gonna put a French nail guide sticker on it, so I don't need uncured gel. These are from CanDo, a 100 yen store. When I use nail art stickers, I usually use a stamper. I put a sticker on a stamper and I stamp it on the nail. I'm gonna stamp in a slightly different way later in this video. Gel gets under stickers really easily, so I'm making sure there's no gap between the sticker and the nail. I'm gonna use Born Pretty CGO32. It's a very nice light green, lime green or mint green. I don't know how to call this color. Help! I'm cleaning gel on the sticker. This one extra step will help make a very nice French manicure. See? It's such a clean smile line. Green Cat Magnetic Gel CGM06. The particles are so glittery. I'm trying not to exceed the smile line. Now I'm gonna design with a magnet wand. I'm gonna put a sticker, so I'm gonna paint no wipe top coat. These are stickers from Seven's Good. This sticker gets curly like this, so I'm gonna use a stamper. I'm gonna use base and top gel to fill the gap on the smile line and the sticker. This gel is from Seria, another 100 yen store, and it's not very runny, so it helps fill the gap. I'm gonna finish the thumbnail art with no wipe top coat gel. It's done. I'm gonna do the little finger and the index finger. The Born Pretty gel, not the magnetic one. I'm gonna apply it to both and then I'm gonna apply the magnetic gel. I'm applying the magnetic gel. This magnetic gel is perfect for a sunny spring day, isn't it? I'm trying to do the same design as a little finger, but it's rather difficult to create exactly the same pattern. Well, this will do. The pinky art is done. I'm gonna stamp on the index finger. A plate from Temu. I'm gonna use extremely opaque stamping polish I got at Walmart. I'm using a prepaid card as a scraper. They look like a Pokemon. I'm gonna paint no wipe top coat to finish the pinky and the index finger. Cure. I'm gonna make a gradient art on the ring finger. The green gel is pretty opaque, so I'm wondering if I can get a nice gradient. It worked well with a tweed brush with a 100 yen store. I sometimes used it horizontally to blur. Now I'm gonna paint magnetic gel. Just like the green gel, I painted and blurred it with a tweed brush. Before curing it, I hit the magnetic wand to design. I bought this plate from Temu or Shein, I can't remember. I'm gonna use Kaz stamping polish. The color on the bottle looks totally different from the one in the bottle. It works perfectly fine though. After stamping once, I still wanted to stamp, so I used the leftover prints. I'm gonna coat it with non-wipe top coat. Cure, and I'm gonna stamp more. I'm using stamping polish from Walmart. It's the most opaque white stamping polish I own. I saw this design on Instagram. I really liked it, so I wanted to create it myself. I'm gonna paint no wipe top coat to finish. I'm gonna do the middle finger. I'm gonna make French manicure on it, just like the thumbnail. I'm painting no wipe top coat for French nail guide sticker. This time, instead of pressing the stamper on the nail all the way, I just put the center part of the sticker on the nail. This way, I was able to adjust the ends of the sticker. By the way, did you watch a movie Wicked? It just started to show here in Japan. I'll definitely watch it. That's one of the reasons I decided to make this nail set. This is so satisfying. Beautiful. I'm painting magnetic gel and I'm gonna hit a wand to design. I'm gonna paint base and top gel to fill the gap, and paint no wipe top coat if necessary. This is a final look. It's such a vibrant color. On on my fingers. I don't think it's really office appropriate, but it will look great on a sunny day on a picnic or something. Let's see what it looks like on the thumb. Probably it's better to put it on a silicone thumb. It's really pretty. I love it. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!